Okay, juniors, so now for the Fakie 5 portion, we are going to go back to just working on one move at a time. It's always good to work on the basics in small space. We've got a small space we're working with, most of you guys do. And so we're going to again go back to working on the Matthews, the circle take, the step over, the chop, and the married on the spin. And then we will also work on our super six. So we'll work on our inside hook, outside hook, pull back, studs turn, step over turn, and Cruyff turn. So as always, we'll start with the super six. Okay, starting with our inside hooks. So we're gonna, just like we've done before, we're gonna take a touch and do a hook. Take a touch, do a hook. Take a touch, do a hook. Inside the foot, making sure we're turning the other direction each time, going one way, all the way the other way, inside hooks. All right, work on it. The next one we're going to work on is the outside hook. Same idea. We're going to take a touch, outside the foot turn, take a touch, outside hook, take a touch, outside hook, take a touch, outside hook, take a touch, outside hook. Notice my plant foot goes right next to the ball, and then I hook with the other foot. Take a touch, outside hook. Take a touch, outside hook. Next, we are on to the pullback. So we're going to take a touch, we're going to pull the ball back. Our knees and hips go with the ball. Take a touch, pull it back, take a touch, pull it back, take a touch, pull it back, touch, pull it back. Contacting the ball with the sole of our foot, bringing it back. What comes after the pullback? After the pullback comes the studs turn. Take a touch. We're going to pull it backwards, but this time our knees and our hips go the other way. Take a touch, pull back. Take a touch, pull back. Take a touch, pull back. Pull back, pull back, pull back. All right, next comes the step over turn. So the turn part is going to be our touch. So we're going to do our step over, outside of the foot turn, and step over, outside the foot turn, outside the foot turn, outside the foot turn, step over, turn. Ball's running away from me a little bit, a couple more. So we're gonna step over, turn. Step over, turn. Step over, turn. Step over, turn. And last but not least, the Cruyff turn. So we're gonna take a touch. Let me show you with my left foot. I plant my right foot in front of the ball. I turn my toe to face the camera, and I bring my left foot with the inside and play it behind. Touch, plant, behind. Touch, plant, behind. Behind. When I do it real well, my plant foot is even with the ball to make it real easy to go behind. Touch, behind. Touch, behind. Touch, behind. Touch, behind. 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 All right, and that's the super six. And now the Fakie 5. So we're going to start with the Matthews. We're going to go inside, hop outside, and bring the ball back. Inside, hop outside, bring the ball back. Inside, outside, bring it back. Inside, outside, bring it back. So I'm doing my Matthews, my inside, outside touch, using the sole of that same foot to bring it back. You can control it if you need, and then other side. Bring it back. If you don't need to control it, just keep it going. Sometimes it's hard with socks. There you go. Now we've got our circle takes. So we're circling, we're taking, we're bringing it back. So if I circle with my right, I take with my left, sole of my left to bring it back, control it if I need, circle with the left, take with the right, bring it back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. All right, hold it there. Next is the step over, so same idea. Step over with one foot, my right foot in this case. Touch it with the right, bring it back with the right. Control it. Step over with the left, touch it with the left, bring it back. Control it. When we step over, it's a two-step process. The foot goes over, plants, the other foot takes a step, we turn our hips outside the foot and bring it back. Step over, touch, bring it back. Step over, touch, bring it back. Step over, touch, bring it back. Work on it, okay? Then, after our step over, we've got our chops. So we're gonna take a little bit of an outside touch, chop the ball behind, chop it behind. Okay, if the ball runs away, just reset. Touch, chop, touch, chop. Maybe cut that touch out. My ball is moving too much side to side, so I'm gonna take that extra touch out and just chop. Chop, 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 chop. Notice when I chop, I have to jump my foot out of the way just a tad. So I chop here, and I move this foot out of the way. Chop, chop, chop. All right, and last comes the Maradona spin. So we're gonna pull the ball back towards us with one foot. We're gonna step in front of the ball. We're gonna turn our knees and our hips and turn the ball around with the other foot and bring it back. Pull the ball back towards you, spin, bring it back. Pull the ball back towards you, spin, bring it back. We go again. Pull the ball back, step, spin, bring it back. Pull the ball back, step, spin, bring it back. Back, step, spin, bring it back one more time. Back, step, spin, bring it back. Woo! Got away from me a little bit there, but that's okay. Gotta keep practicing. Okay, Junior, so back to the basics a little bit there for our Super 6 and our Fakie 5. And then a little bit new work with the rolling for the warm-up. I want you guys to try and do maybe 10 times of everything if you can, you know, every day that we don't have Zoom practice. So get a little bit of work in on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Friday, Saturday, maybe take a Sunday off, take a day off somewhere. But the more you work on this, the better and more prepared you'll be for when you actually get to get back out on the field, okay? So we'll see you, today is Sunday for me, so we'll see you on Monday for our Zoom practice, where we'll be working on all of these skills. All right, everybody, listen to your parents, do your homework, have a good one.